From bring all these things on to help the person. So like, what are we doing? Are we deceiving ourselves? Then our governor's son, minister's son, too, they for do like this. Yeah. Government for the people.
You will see the pressure of this water.
That's what I'm saying, that the start point is shifted from here. Say yeah? Yes. How far?
Would they sit down under here before? Those days. In those days now, they can't wash motor for you. Under this slab, over of a slab. Yes, now this place dig go down. Now slab, they on top, but that slab collapse.
See, turn the camera, make you see us. Can we stay here? Are we there with you?
This is going to feel rich. I don't see. On a one day useful.
Oh my.
They jack up from the wrong side.
But no, it doesn't matter which side they jack up.
Only this is the way now. This is not the time. Let's drag out the way, go there. Now the house will go put up. The house will wait down. The house will play it. Where the tire house is going to carry a group.
See, now the other one, this is a 90
That water really kill them. When I water them out for come out.
No, don't open. I want to come out. Say when one motor point that water, you don't know open the unit. I divers, we go 9 minutes there for the house.
Then you drive and the man.
The driver has got the point side, no good jump on one side. How do you stick over inside water? So they tell her make it drop out to stick inside water. They retire again.
No worries, sir. I'm coming.
This one don't come back close to.
I hear you.
The man don't die now. Which one is the
Carry on.
what is the condition now?
What did you walk? Government carry on now.
The one woman cut out the Toyota.
What do you want me to do for you? You know, the house. Government give us
No need, neither comment.
go.
No need. Bro, talk about motor. Talk about woman doing that. Talk about motor. The motor don't go.
Go now.
Which spot when they face the motor? Which spot when they face? That's more this way. That's not good. Use front. Enter. Like the driver side, how do you go? The driver side, the driver
No, so I don't condemn.
No, don't keep this motor here. But keep it here. But give people a shine.
The story about the make it spoil, woman being don't die. The motor spoil, any high one spoil. Don't die.
Yesterday, as I was coming, I carried 2 passengers from Akpajo. I get somewhere there, I heard a gunshot. I stopped by close of Ndroma. I told them, no, this may be a combat between police. I said, no, I moved down to the area. On the process of the experts, I find out those men, I can't name them, I don't see them, it was night. On the process, there was a police that surrounded the man, he's a white man. So, but he's still in the car. So on the process of the interview and they were not like exchanging words, hey, this and that. Before you know it, they blow gun and the motor fell inside here with their gunshots and those people missed. That's how the thing say. And since yesterday till now, if you still want to see my machine I park it down there. So that is it. I'm still whom I am. And I came this morning to witness whether the dead body or any motor have come out. They say never come out. Look around, there is police all around. The bus have entered, but they're nowhere to be found the man.
My name is Chief Honorable Ajuri Ebiebrin Emere Gupa, the Executive Chairman of Eleme Local Government Council.
What do you have to say about this incident?
Well, what we have seen here is so bad. You are aware that the Eleme people has demonstrated severally in order to attract the attention of the federal government to fix this road. But it is very clear that the federal government has refused deliberately to fix this road. And as a result of the state of the road, this accident has happened today. It's most unfortunate. You know, again, we are still calling on the federal government to do the needful. This road is very critical to the Nigerian economy. You are aware that this road houses the first and second Port Harcourt refineries. We also have the Nigeria Port Authority and several companies. The oil and gas free zone is also here. Notori company, the fertilizer company is also on this road. Over there, you can see the Indorama company. So it's very critical. Customs generates a lot of revenue from the port authority, but yet the federal government has failed to do the needful by fixing this road. So it's very bad. This accident is avoidable, but because of the negligence of federal government on their part to fix the road, we are using this medium to call on the Federal Ministry of Works, the Minister of Works, David Omae, to swing into action. So we are saying the work done is very slow.
I was just coming as usual. I was going to my office and I saw the mammoth crowd and I said, what is happening? And by the time we stay up, I now saw the local government chairman, commissioner of police, deputy commissioner of police, the area commander, the DPO covering these two areas, that's Eleme and Akpajo DPO, and other police officers. So I came down, you know, and the information was that there is the MD to one of the farm in River State, you know, was going out through this ASICs when some kidnappers trying to kidnap, and they were exchanging bullets with the security men who were guiding this foreigner. And as well, one of the mopo, from what I gathered, one of the mopo fell out of the car and rolled to the other side of the road, while the other one fell into the ditch, the big river behind me, with the white man. Although I saw the policeman who was with the white man swim out, and since then they've been inside. So we are trying to make sure the rescue, the divers are here, and we are trying to, we found the vehicle, but want to see the extent of damage done, whether the white man is still alive or not. And that is what is happening here now.